Hi, third graders. So today it's our last virtual visit. So yay, you're going to be back to school soon. But I was excited to show you your activity, and I want you to make sure you get this done before you come back for the next media period. So our stations today is you're going to be hearing a read aloud called May Among the Stars. And it talks about a young girl who has this huge dream and how some people don't think she'll be able to achieve that dream. But it has a great ending, and it's a good message for us to remember. Then our tech activity is we're going to be learning about Google Slides. Some of you may have started some Google Slides. Maybe you've never done them. So we're going to start them together this week. All right, so I'm going to lead you to Schoology, which is where you should find all of your activities. So let's go in there. And I want you to find the January 28th through February 4th folder. Now put me on pause right now and get your folder opened. All right, so I'm going to click on the January 28th and February 8th folder, and you're going to see Digital Pet Desk right there. All right, and you know what? You will have your choice board there too. I just totally forgot to put it in there right now. So you're going to click on Digital Pet Desk, and it's going to bring you to a link to this one. Mine's loading. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. Okay, so put me on pause again, and you're going to do Make a Copy, or File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. All right, go ahead. Okay, coming back. Now, when you make a copy, you are going to name it, and you're going to put, this is super important, when it comes up and it's blue, I'm going to erase the copy of, and you're going to put your name. Actually, I'm going to put my first name because I already have one with my last name. So Karen G's, I put apostrophe S, Digital Desk Pet. Make sure I put a space there. So you have to have this title in there. And now, where are you going to save it? You are going to save it to My Drive. So go ahead and pause the video again. Make sure you title your document. All right, so you should be back and have saved your document. Now, it's important that we made a copy, because if we tried working on that one, all of us would be doing the exact same one. So now you just made your own copy. So here it is, your Digital Desk Pet. The first thing I'm going to do is go to slide 2 over here, click on it, and I have 6 pets to choose from. So you get to decide which little character do you want for your digital pet. And when you decide which one you want, you're going to click on it. When it has the blue squares around it, you are going to hold down first, always first. You're going to hold down the Control key, and then you're going to tap with the other finger, C, and let go. Then you let go of Control. That Control key has to be the first key down and the last key up, okay? Now, once you did the Control C, it copies it, but you can't see, like it doesn't just copy it right there, but it is copied. So next, you're going to go to the third slide where it says About My Pet. This is where you are going to paste it. So now you're going to press down the Control key and hold it. And you're going to press the letter V as in victory. Tap the V and, oops, you know what, mischief here on my Mac is different than you guys, so I have to do this. Sorry. Okay, and press Control V, and your little pet should appear. Now I'm going to click on it when it's blue, and I'm still clicking on it, but I can drag it around and move it. When I get it to where I want, I'm going to go to the corner and see how that cursor has now changed into a slanted cursor. That's where I'm going to click down on it and drag it bigger because I want my pet to be larger right here. Okay, now you get it large enough there. And our next job is over here. You are going to click in these boxes and you're going to answer information or make up information about your pet. So first you got to say, what type of pet? Well, I chose the koala. So now when I go to click in there to type, if I just start typing, you notice that it shows click to type still. What I have to do is I have to go to the front by the C and click down and highlight. I clicked down and dragged my finger. When it's blue, then I can hit backspace and it all deletes. So now I have a nice empty box to type in koala. You're going to do the same thing for here. And you get to name your pet. Oh, that is so awesome. What are you to name your pet? So I clicked and highlighted that. I can hit backspace and now I can type in my pet's name. And look at that, I put a capital letter. Next, you're going to do age. See how I highlighted it again? Backspace. I get to give my pet an age. I'm going to make him 4 years old. Click, highlight, backspace. And now I can tell you what's his favorite food. I can pick anything I want to pick for this. I don't know. We'll see. I gave him a chocolate malt. Okay, and the last one is your favorite color. So when you are done with all of those, your pet, that's the profile of your pet. Then you're going to go to the next slide. And this is the last one for today. So here's what's pretty fun. So we have that Control C, which is copy, and then Control V, which is paste. We've practiced that. Now you're going to put your pet in this room. So I need to go back to this one and I'm going to do Control C. Then I'm going to toggle over on this side and I'm going to click on that slide and then I'm going to do Control V for paste. Now I don't want my little guy floating, so I'm going to put him down here. All right, that's all I want you to do today. I know it's not a ton. We're going to build on this and add stuff to it, but I really want all of you to be with me when we do that, okay? So your job is to do choose a pet, do your pet's profile, and the last thing is to put your pet into that room and have him on the floor, not on the ceiling or the pet or the walls. And it might be a she. I just keep saying he. All right. So you will also see down here, there's lots of hidden ones. We're not doing those today. That's for future use. So that's why they're blocked off for you. So you're just doing these, these few slides. All right. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.